Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about what is a flood zone AO and how does it impact me? Well, a flood zone AO is basically a flood zone where you've got water that is coming down a hill and it's creating some water gathering at a bottom. So it's usually on a slope terrain of about 1 to 3 feet. Areas where an AO zone are very popular, areas like Arizona, Las Vegas, these kind of desert areas where they may get a lot of rainfall, like 1 inch in an hour through monsoon season or afternoon thunderstorm. And so what happens is that water, it's like hitting cement basically, and so it just runs straight downhill and it gathers at the bottom, which can create flooding issues at the bottom. Now, can flood insurance be higher in this area? Yes, it can be, but also generally these communities have fans and other runoff methods to protect their communities in these areas, like canals and things like that. If you've ever noticed out in Arizona, New Mexico, Las Vegas and areas like that. So if you've got questions exactly about, what is zone AO is and how it's going to impact you, is flood insurance required in the AO?